Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the drill cycle setting for your toolpaths. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. So now just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the RouterCAM toolpath settings. And today we're going to be looking at drill cycle. So now this one is only, or the setting can only be found in your drill setting or drill toolpath. And yeah, where most of the other ones were universal except for the drill. Now we have one that's drill and not for the others. So if we had to have our object selected here that we want to drill, we can simply click here, and then by default this thing is going to drill in the center, so you don't have an offset to the side or center and outside inside. It will just be in the middle of this, and then obviously you can choose your size of your drill bit. Now yeah, it would be nice having a like the other ones where we can actually see the actual size of the drill is going to be, which I see it is not here, which is a bit unfortunate. Like if we had to go to contouring, we've got just show tool diameter. So that would have been nice to have that on the drill, but yeah, maybe in the future updates. So now under the drill cycle and return plane, we've got over here 3 different settings. By default, it is on return plunge height, but we will start here on the first one. So the first one is no return. So basically what this will do is when you drill, it will try to do your full depth in one go. So it's not going to take it up as a breather, you can say, and take it again and again and again. So I'll go one go with no return. Then we have your return to plunge height. So this one will drill to the first layer, then it will move up to whatever your plunge height is set over here. In our case it was 3.3, and then it will go to the next plane, and so forth. And then the last one here, we have return to previous cutting plane. So obviously if it's gone to one plane, it will now go up to where it started, and then when it drills, it'll go to the next plane, then it'll only go up to where the second plane was, and so forth. So that is pretty much what these ones do. This one's probably for longevity and that, the better one to choose. So the default one, return to plunge height, at least gives your drill a bit more of a breather, where obviously if you want to cut time, you can probably go no return, or perhaps return to previous cutting plane. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the drilling cycle. So just a quick overview again. So we have no return, so it's going to try drilling in one go. Return to plunge height will obviously between cutting planes, it's going to go over to your plunge height, and then the last one's return to previous cutting plane, which will basically do it in steps. But yeah, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.